Lion HRL 336 Headlight Restoration Liquid removes yellow haze from plastic headlights. It improves visibility, restores clarity, and helps prevent restaining yellow haze. First, shake the bottle to mix the formula. Next, apply product to a soft cloth or applicator pad. After cleaning headlight, apply product in a circular motion. Finally, buff off after product is dried to a fine haze. Extremely stained lenses may require multiple applications and light sanding using 2000 grit sandpaper. Be sure to read all directions and safety precautions on the back label. And always consult with a professional before use of any product. Drive with confidence with the strength of Lion.